Hi guys, here you have the Squat Lunge Machine, personal favourite of mine. There's quite a number of exercises you can do with this one too. I'm going to show you 2 or 3 exercises, the basics, and then from there you can play and do what you like. The first one is the squat, the actual squat. And this is great if you're going to try and transition from this to a bar. It gets your body in the right position. It teaches you how to get yourself braced and in position for a good squat, a good deadlift, I should say, off the ground. So it's a nice squat. Feet shoulder width apart. You want to position yourself so your heels are at the end of the handles. Okay. Hands just in front. Drop your butt. Stick the weight through the heels. And as you pull up, drive through those heels and push those hips forward. Okay. Easy back down. Line yourself up, making sure those knees don't go beyond those toes. Again, gripping that bar. Accelerate as you start rising. Push those hips forward, chest back, squeezing the butt cheeks. Nice tall stance, and easy back down. All right, keeping that weight through the heels and making sure that the legs are doing the work. You notice my back is nice and upright. I'm really squeezing through those shoulder blades and making the legs give me the elevation to get down and up, okay? The next one from there is a lunge. I'm going to turn it the other way around, and it's basically positioning yourself in any lunge position. You can start from the ground, grabbing the handles, keeping the upper body nice and upright, weight through the front heel. You notice I've got a 90 on the front, a 90 in the back, and a 90 in the middle. You want to keep those degrees at 90s, and we can then do the lunges. Okay, you can also start introducing a little bit of a ballistic movement or a modified lunge into the Bulgarian, where you put your back foot up on that bar there, make it a little bit harder. Yeah, or double foot, squat explode. So there we have it, the squat lunge. Have a little play with that.